How to turn on or turn off auto switch to better Wi-Fi networks with intelligent Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the left-hand side panel. Then in here, tap on the More button. And from the pop-up, choose Intelligent Wi-Fi. Then we go down and tap on Switch to better Wi-Fi networks. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch on Auto Switch to better Wi-Fi networks. You can also tap on the left-hand side panel for more information. In here, you can choose to switch while screen is on, so you can turn it on or turn it off. In here, say automatically switch to Wi-Fi networks that are faster or more stable than your current network. And that's it. Tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.